Hi guys!
Janelle and Alex here for your September unboxing, and this month's theme is Glow Getter.
Amazing. So before I get into it, as I always do, just a little brief reminder for all of our Bellas who have been with us for a long time. You already know all this, but for all of our new Bellas that are new to the BB fam, we are a beauty subscription service. So every month you get a box full of surprises to your door. What we do at the beginning of the month is we sneak peek all the products and we show you what you'll be getting, and then around the middle of the month you'll be receiving it. So there's 5+ beauty items that you will receive. Some are skincare, hair care, body care, all kinds of things. And really what the whole idea of Bellabox is about. It's about surprise and delight. It's about trying products, trying to find your new favorite products. So some of them are full size, a lot of them are sample size, and the whole purpose of that is because we want you to find new favorites, work out what you like, what you don't like, and then if you like something, you can go on to purchase the full size.
Yeah, well said.
So the first product that I have to show you guys, which all of you will be receiving one of, is something that we sneak peeked, and you would have seen it because we had an opt-in as well, and which is obviously closed now, so hopefully you guys got in on that, but I think whatever you receive, you will definitely love it. So we have the MCoBeauty Shimmer Brick in blush and the Shimmer Brick in bronze. So these ones are baked powders, as you can see, that will instantly warm and enhance your skin and leave you with a flattering glow. They're also very easy to blend as well. So I think they'll go beautifully with the rest of your makeup, and it's nice that they just have a slight tinge of color in them as well.
It's a great size too.
Yeah, exactly. And then the two other ones, as I mentioned, they're the hydrating concealers, and these are beautiful because they actually, you can't see it in the video, but they have a little section in the middle which is a formula that has coconut oil and tea tree in it. So I think you'll probably find sometimes with the concealer that you use that that it gets really cakey and it can crease, and by the end of the day it's not looking so great. These are really hydrating as well, so they'll leave you with a smooth and luminous finish. I'm really excited for you guys to try these from the new MCo range that are available very readily in Woolworths, I believe. So amazing.
Awesome. The next product that all of you will be receiving, and you would have also seen on our socials, is from Wet n Wild, and it's their lipstick. So you'll either be receiving What's Up Dog or Dark Pink Frost. There was no opt-in for this, but that's purely because we think you guys will enjoy either one. They're the perfect colors for springtime, and they also have very nourishing ingredients in them so that you can make sure that it's not going to flake or make your lips dry. It's also very long lasting. So we hope you guys are excited for 2 makeup items in this month's box.
Yes, 2 makeup items spoiled.
Yes.
And and like, you know, naturally we can only give you an option for one of the products.
Yes, exactly.
So the next product that I have to show you guys is something that some of you will be receiving, and I'm super excited to show you these because they are so cute and they smell amazing. So these are the Garnier Fructus Hair Food. They are made from superfruit extracts and can be used as a hair mask, a leave-in conditioner, a conditioner or a leave-in treatment. So there's heaps of options here. The thing that I love about these is obviously that they look adorable, they smell amazing. They are a vegan formula, they're 94% biodegradable, there's no silicons, parabens or artificial colors. So it's really nice to see this new range from Garnier is really thoughtful of all of that kind of thing as well. And the thing I love probably the most about it out of everything I've mentioned is the fact that it is a 1-minute hair mask. So gone are the days where you have to stand in the shower with the water running for 15 minutes. No one has that kind of time, and also waste of water. So these are perfect. I think whichever, as I mentioned, not everyone will be receiving them, but whichever scent you receive, I'm sure you will love. They are such a cute size.
It's our favorite here in the office.
Yes, so it's all about locking in that nourishment. So let us know what you think and which one you get.
Cool. The next product is from Neutrogena, and it's their makeup remover cleansing towelettes in Night Calming. So this, as you can see, is full size. It's such a great size that you can go, take away with you. It has ultra soft nourishing cloths and will help remove your makeup and dissolve any dirt or oil. It's also really good for even waterproof mascara, so you know that it's super effective. Yeah, we're super excited to have this in our box, and as we mentioned, this is a full-size item, so some of you Bellas will be receiving this.
Very nice. And it's also, you know, you guys know I'm a very big advocate of taking all your makeup off before you go to bed and doing a full skincare routine at night. But if for whatever reason you don't get the chance to, keep them next to your bed and at least use them. All right. So So then the next product that I have for you guys
is from Tropez.
So Tropez, as you know, are the leaders in doing fantastic tanning. So some of you will be receiving one of these. So the one which is most exciting, I think, is from the Purity range, which is a new range from Tropez. And as you can see, it is completely clear.
Yep.
So rather than having that sort of dark color tan that you're usually used to putting on, especially in the mousse, that can sometimes transfer, even before or after showering, things like that. That won't do this, which is very, very impressive.
Yes.
So gone are the days where you have stains on your clothes, on your sheets,
Yep.
all the rest of it, all those kind of frustrating things about the tanning process. So Tropez have made that easier with none of that issue. So this is from that new range. And I know those of you who like tanning will attest that I'm sure at least once you have put a body tan on your face, obviously we know that's a bit naughty, but it's like nice to have a face tan that matches your body. So this is where the sheet mask comes in. So this is 5, 10 or 15 minutes depending on how dark you want it, and is very thoughtful of your skincare as well. So this is perfect for that.
Yeah.
And then this is the gradual in-shower tan. So awesome, amazing,
So many options.
easy tanning solutions,
Exactly.
which some of you will be receiving one of.
Yes. The next product is from Invisible Zinc, and it's their Sheer Defense Facial Moisturizer with SPF 50. This is great for sensitive skin. It has a very lightweight formula. Also, SPF is very important regardless of what time of year it is. So we hope that you guys love this one.
Especially as we're coming into summer when the sun is out more and the UV levels are increasing. So don't forget to wear it under your makeup or just even on its own every single day.
Yes. Cool.
Great. So the next product I have is a product that some of you will be receiving one of. So this is a brand that we haven't actually featured ever before. So Remillard is an awesome Korean skincare brand, and it's one that I love, especially because of how readily available it is. So I'm sure those of you who love Korean brands will agree with me that there's not many good reliable places to buy it from, because a lot of the time you've got to buy it from websites internationally, and you can always feel a little bit sheepish about how long it's going to come or if it's going to come.
Yeah.
So these are Remillard's actually available from Priceline, which is fantastic. And so the sheet masks that I've got for you are the Nutrition Deep Intensive Mask, which is really great for that hydration, as well as the Marine Hyaluronic Revital Mask and the Herb Tea Pure Calming Mask. I've actually tried this one. It's awesome. The thing I loved most about it was I tried it in the morning, which is when you should do sheet masks because you want your skin to be nice and plump and bouncy for the day. But I didn't feel like I had to tissue any of it off. I just had to, moisturize it in, and it felt really nice. It wasn't sticky or anything like that. So it went perfectly under my makeup and under the rest of my skincare routine. So really keen to see what you guys think of these. And as I said, they are very nicely readily available. So that's even better.
Amazing. Another product that some of you Bellas will be receiving is from Byderma, and it's their Micellar Water. This is one of the best sellers that the brand has. We also absolutely love it here at Bellabox. So this is great for removing your makeup, but also even if you're not wearing makeup for the day, it's great to just kind of cleanse with this after a long day.
You still got to take all the grime and all the pollution and whatever else gets on your face during the day off.
Yeah. And they've so kindly as well inserted a $5 off coupon for their 500 ml Micellar Water from Chemist Warehouse. So we hope you guys love this and go out and buy the full-size version.
Yeah, it's something that we keep sampling here at Bellabox because Byderma really want you guys to all give it a go and all try it out, and also because it is one of the best-selling French skincare brands and products that there ever was in the world.
Exactly.
So that's pretty awesome.
Yes.
So then the next product that I have for you guys that some of you will be receiving is the Coach Floral Blush Perfume. Now this is such a gorgeous feminine fragrance, and I know you guys are always wanting to sample and try more fragrances, so
here we are.
Here we are. So this delivers an airy, colourful scent with sparkling notes of goji berries and peony. So very feminine, as I mentioned. It's a really bold and sensual fragrance, so I'm really interested to hear what you guys think of this. Again, the full size is quite readily available as well. So
go out and try it.
Can't wait to see what you think.
Now on to our bonus products for the month. Firstly, we have the Palmer's Ultra Hydrating Serum. So this is great for restoring the radiance in your skin and smoothing out those fine lines. It also will help improve your skin's texture, tone your skin, and help with the firmness. So this is something that we know you guys will really enjoy, and we know that you guys usually love Palmer's, so yes, it should be no different to this one.
And the other product I have for you guys is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum and the Finishing Cream. So perfect when next time you get out of the shower, grab this. This is step one, so use on soaking wet hair, spread the serum in, and then use on dry hair after you've finished blow drying, just to sort of, you know, tame the flyaways. I was saying to Janelle that I should have used this when I wash my hair because yeah, this actually works very well. I have tried both of these and they are fantastic. So give this combo a go and
let us know.
That
wraps up our September unboxing. Yes. We hope that you guys are excited about your boxes and all the products. And just like always, if you want to see anything specific, any tutorials, let us know in the comments below, and we'll get right onto it. Bye guys.
See you guys.